Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've actually checked into Nishat Hotel Emporium Mall. When you come in, you have to take gate number 5 for the hotel. You are on the ground floor, you go through security, and then you take the elevator all the way to 4th floor. On the 4th floor, they have this entire lobby of theirs. It's absolutely amazingly bright. I loved it. And here you also have the reception, and also you've got the hotel where you do your breakfast, lunch, dinner, up to you. So I'm just trying to show you the complete feel of it. It's really amazing and huge. I just loved the artistic vibes over here. So enjoy. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm staying in Nishat Hotel, but this is in Emporium Mall, Lahore. So I thought, you know what, why not give you a very quick room tour, and you could tell me the difference. What do you think of Nishat Hotel of Gulberg versus Nishat Hotel Emporium? Leave in the comments down below. Alright, you know the drill, I'm gonna swap. Alright, so the moment you come in, that's your door right there. You have all of your electric control panel over here for the lights and the control for the air condition. That's the washroom. And this section over here is all the bedroom and the living area. So the washroom is quite spacious, and you can have a look. It's like I really like this contrast of white and gray, because it kind of gives a very fresh and roomy kind of an feel to, and vibes as well. So that's the shower area right there. And I think whenever you go to any Nishat, they have all the I think this is the Conatural, because right now it says the Nishat, but I know that this series, oh yeah, see, Conatural, made by Conatural. So they have all of their body wash, shampoo, conditioner, everything is from Conatural. So it's really good quality. I've tried that. Here you've got the toilets, and see here again they have the body lotion, and it says Conatural right there as well. And they have all the amenities over here. Let's see, where is it? Alright, so there's a dental kit, shaving kit, shower cap, and sewing, and Q-tips. Alright. Oh, look at this, teeny tiny, cutie. This is a soap by Conatural as well. That's nice. And you've got your hair dryer and hand towels and mirror, and you've got your host right there giving you the tour. You walk in over here again. I really love the vibes over here. You know, I feel that Emporium Mall Nishat Hotel is really like, you know, it's more open, more brighter. So you can notice that's the wardrobes right there. Alright, so if you want, you could actually keep your stuff in there. You have like big wardrobes, and with that, like, you know, you also have these slippers as well as the laundry bag. And here you have the side tables, and look at that. That's nice, like the sunset view. And that's complimentary. And this basket over here, this is not complimentary. If you're going to use that, then you have to pay for it. That's my, you know, purse right there. And this is the mini bar. Let's have a look. Alright, so whenever they give you any facilities for tea and coffee, all this is complimentary. Again, I think here they are gonna have some drinks as well, and this water isn't complimentary as well. So that's nice, because I love this decor. And look at that, so cute. And yeah. And if I do a comparison, when they've got like this very minimalistic kind of vibe going on, look at the lamps and the chandelier, very, you know, simple and the color theme is like, you know, more of the whites, and the gray just complements it. So it gives you very open, very airy, and you know, good feel. So I like that. Okay, let me just have me for a while. Yeah, okay, this way. So I was just saying, like, I think I prefer Nishat Hotel of Emporium, and because you also have with this hotel, you also have access to the Emporium mall, so you can go to your shoppings. You could have the food court. You could have cinemas over here as well. So it's very convenient, you know, all at one place. So yeah, that's my pick, Nishat Hotel Emporium. Why don't you tell me, what do you prefer? All right, guys, leave your comments down below. Gonna look forward to your opinion. And pardon my front camera, because, you know, when the guy, he put the front camera protector, I don't know what he has done, but basically the front camera gives a very hazy, mystical look to it. But believe me, the camera quality is not as bad as it's looking right now. All right, so that's what it is. So I'm gonna end the video right now. You guys stay tuned, leave your comments down below, and until next time, much love and God bless. Bye. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, much love. God bless. Bye.